Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before start, I want to introduce myself. My name is Dewi Yunita Sarif from class 4B1 Mathematics Education, University of Muhammadiyah Tangerang.
My name is Dewi Yunita Sari, lecturer Prahesti Tirta Savitri MPD. The material is vector. Definition: a vector is a quantity that has magnitude, value, and direction. Geometrically, a vector is described as a directed line where the length of the line represents the magnitude of the vector and the direction of the line represents the direction of the vector. Because the line is only to be a straight line if only the line has no vector. And different from the picture, the one next to it has an arrow that shows the direction, and also the quality is called a vector. Vector of the length. The length of a vector is the distance from the starting point to the end point of the vector, because algebraically the starting point of the vector and the end point of the vector are in both two-dimensional and three-dimensional coordinates. The length of the vector can be determined using the formula for the distance between 2 points. Suppose there are points A bracket x1, y1, and B bracket x2 and y2. Then the distance from point A to point B can be calculated by the formula vector AB equals to the root bracket x2 minus x1 square plus bracket y2 minus y1 square. Operation of vector. Operation of vector. The following fields: 1. Addition, 2. Subtraction, 3. Multiplication of vector. Addition can be done by moving the point of vector A to the another end of vector B, then connecting the starting point of vector A with the end point of vector to B by becoming A plus B. Subtraction. Vector subtraction is in the principle the same as addition, only that the difference is that there is one vector that has its opposite direction. For example, vector A move the A's and vector B move the W's. Then the formula is A plus minus B equals to A minus B. Multiplication of vector. The product of vector and scalar is the product of the scalar k by vector A, so we can write k times A and define it as a new vector whose magnitude k is multiplied by magnitude A. Multiplication of vector with scalar can be calculated by the formula B equals k times A. B is the new vector resulting from the multiplication of the scalar k by vector A. The direction of vector B will be in the same direction as vector A if k is positive, and vector B will be opposite to vector A if the value of k is negative. Question: Noun let vector P equals to 10 and vector Q equals to 6 and the angle between n is 16 degree. Value vector P minus vector Q. Answer: P minus Q equals to the root of bracket P minus Q square, the root P square minus 2 times P times Q plus Q square equals to the root P square minus 2 times P times Q times cos 60 degree plus Q square. We substitute and get equals to the root 100 minus 2 times 10 times 6 times 1 over 2 plus 36. The root 136 minus 60. And the result, the root 76. And next, 2 root of 19. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.